Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can add email in Facebook. It's pretty simple. You want to click on your profile picture or your menu icon at the bottom right of your screen. From over here, you want to click on the setting icon at the top right. And then you want to scroll a bit down until you see this option called profile details, which is going to be under audience and visibility. From inside over here, you can see the option called contact info. Right beside contact info, you can see the edit button. Click on the blue edit button. From over here at the top, you can see manage contact info. Click on manage contact info. From over here, it'll take you to this page. Over here, click on add new contact at the bottom of your screen and click on add email. Once you do that, you can enter an email address over here. Once you enter an email address, so I'm just going to enter a random email over here. What you need to do is choose your Facebook from over here. Once you choose your Facebook, click on next, and that email address will be added on your Facebook, and it's going to send a confirmation code to your email. So go check your email and enter the code sent by Facebook and click on next, and if the code is correct, the email will be confirmed and it's going to be added on your Facebook account. So that's how we guys can add email on your Facebook account. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.